All right, this is on the Lead Forward Resources. We are looking under the student learning reports. If you click on any of these PDFs for any grade level, you can match it to your TEKS by looking at the TEKS cluster or the breakdown. Since this is mathematics, we are looking for our geometry because that's where our long strand is. And here on the geometry, you can see it has two different topics with the content where it simply says, I can sort shapes and groups. So those sentences can easily be transformed into essential questions and even help you get an idea of how to write an objective. So this one here is with the science, and with the science, we can see that this is basic needs of plants and animals, and they have the I can tell you what plants need to survive. Another one would be this is the reading document for English, language arts, and reading. And so here it's a little bit different, but there's still several I can statements that can really help you write your objective and your essential questions.